So hey, what's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we have to solve the Leetcode problem which is 387 number, and the question name is find unique character in a string. So in this question we have to given a string, so we have to return the first unique character. For example, we have given a string like we have given a string like Leetcode. So in this we have to check for the first one. There was no L present in that array, so that string, so that was the first unique character. So we have to return the index of the first unique character, which is 0. For example, we have moved for the A B C D E D C B A. So in this we have to check for the A is present in that, B also present, C also present, D also present. So the unique character is E. So we have to return the index of that E. For example, 0 1 2 3 4. So we have to return the 4. For the same test case we do like this, D C A B, and here also a F. So in this question we have E and F, both are unique, so we have to return the first one. So first one is the E, so that output also a E. And the last test case in which we have duplicate value A B B C C. So in this, though no element will be present unique, so we have to return the -1. So by solving this question we have to mainly focus on the character and their frequency is count of the data number. So we make a hash map. First we have initialize the character, which is our ABCD, and the frequencies of the our count. So we make an integer hm is equal to new hash map. Then what we do, we have to make a for loop which run till the length of the string. So we make a int str dot length I plus plus. Then what we do, we have to put in the that hash map. So we make hm dot put. First what we do, we have to put the character of the array. So we make a char ch is equal to str dot char of at I. So what we do, we have to put the ch, and what here we use get or default 0 0 comma num 0 comma ch plus 1. So what we do, this will return the if the element present in the string, so it will increase the size. If this will not present in the hash map, so it will initialize the size by the 0. So this will put all the elements with their frequency. For example, we have a b b and c d d. So it will put in the hash map like is equal to this one, b is equal to c is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2 at index. So we make a for loop which is start from the 0 till the str. Then what we do, we make a condition if hm dot get str dot char at of I equal to 1, then we have to return the ith I, which is of the index. And if this not present, then we have to return the -1. This case will be run when there is no character which frequency is equal to 1. So let's move on the question. So in this question what we do, same, we have created a hash map with the character and integer. Then what we do, we have to make the for loop for the char array. Then we have to put the number which is a char array, we have to convert it into character. Then if the element is present, then put increase the size. If it is not present, then initialize the size to 0. Then make a for loop till the length of the array. Then if the map get that the character which frequency is equal to 1, then we have to return the index, else we have to return the -1. So let's run the test cases. All the test cases would be passed. Now submit the code, and the question will be submitted with the good time complexity. I hope this video will be help you. Thank you.